I've been tracking this herd all morning. Stock suspension. Engines, they're close. Just over that rise. There they are, the Class A Ford F-53. Yep, untamed. A harsh ride indeed. Man, look at that rut tracking. Most folks think these rigs are road ready, but without proper taming, they'll indeed be a white-knuckle ride. Crosswinds will do that. Spook a Class A so bad it'll wander clean out of its lane. Still tracking them. Got spooked by that crosswind and scattered like tumbleweeds. I'll catch up.
Gotta move slow. Spook them too quick, and it's another stampede.
My name's the Coach Whisperer, and next time, I start the taming. They ain't beyond saving either. You just gotta know where to start. Well, I'll be. Look at that little Class B making friends. Even the baby Class Bs want to run smoothly. Click right over there for the next adventure. I'll be waiting. Easy now, little fella. You're one of the good ones.